Hi, this is Aaron from OneSide0.net, and here we are at the event launch of the OnePlus 11 5G. So, of course, at the time of this recording, we still don't have the price yet, but once we got the price, we'll definitely put it in the description. So this is just a very short video of the phone overview and the outlook. As nope, I did not receive an early unit of it, so I got here for a quick experience of it. So as far as specification shows, this is actually running on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM. Of course, a SuperVOOC charger is included, which is a 100-watt fast charger, which means this is also a PD compatible charging phone. So over on the left hand side over here, you also have the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, which is a sleek looking earbuds over here. So if you look back on the OnePlus 11 5G, you can see the lens solution is actually powered by Hasselblad, and the main camera, the main rear camera, is actually a 50 megapixel rear camera shooter. So we at 160 over here actually hope that they will send in a review unit so that we can thoroughly test and write a full review of it, and perhaps a video on a full review as well. So please stay tuned and stay with us, and subscribe if you like our video.